Wisconsin, which is twice a year. The TV doesn't work and I have to call, and it takes me 2 hours to get it turned on after they apologize to me that I did pay my bill. We don't pay the bill from this phone line. It's paid from a Whitewater account, which that number is 262-472-8870. What's that? Listen, that's where it's all paid from. Okay, I don't even have a mailing address here. Well, you need to get me somebody to turn this damn TV on is what you need to do. Okay. Fucking bitch. Jesus fucking Christ.
I remember last year it was just a screaming match.